If you're getting an x.com or Twitter verification error, and the code won't send, the page keeps looping, or the CAPTCHA refuses to load, this video will walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We're going to clean up the browser, switch the network if needed, trigger verification the right way, and then finish the account setup without getting stuck in that endless error loop. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the browser cleanup, because this is one of the most common reasons verification fails. Open Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and before you try again, clear out the old cookies and cache. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete together. On the Clear Data screen, set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and cached images are selected. After that, click Clear Data. This matters because X can get stuck on old session data, broken login attempts, or stored verification tokens that no longer work. If you've already tried several times, the browser may be holding on to bad information, and that can keep the verification page from loading properly. While you're still in your browser, disable every extension you have running, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, and anything that blocks scripts or tracking. Tools like uBlock, AdBlock, Brave Shields, and other privacy extensions can interfere with X's verification system. Even if the site normally works for you, these tools can sometimes break the CAPTCHA or stop the code delivery page from loading correctly. For this test, turn them all off so you can rule them out completely. Now let's move to the network side, because X can also flag your IP address if you've tried too many times, from the same connection. If that happens, verification may keep failing no matter how many times you refresh. The easiest fix is to reset your connection. Unplug your router, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. That can give you a fresh IP address and clear temporary network issues. If that still doesn't help, disconnect your computer from Wi-Fi and try a different route entirely. The best option here is to use your phone's mobile hotspot. Turn on Hotspot on your phone, connect your computer to that hotspot, and try the verification again through the cellular network. This often bypasses home network flags and lets the verification page load normally. Once your browser is cleaned up and your connection is refreshed, the next step is to trigger verification in the safest way possible. Open an Incognito or private window. On most browsers, you can do this with Ctrl, Shift, and N. If you're on a browser that uses a different shortcut, open a private browsing window manually. The goal is to start fresh, without any old cookies or stored sessions interfering. From there, go directly to x.com and try the sign-up or verification process again. If you were using a phone number and it kept failing, choose the option to use email instead. In a lot of cases, email verification is more reliable than SMS, especially when carriers delay shortcodes or the number has already been flagged. A standard Gmail address is usually the easiest choice. Now let's talk about the CAPTCHA, because this is where many people get stuck. X uses a verification system that can loop endlessly, freeze, or crash if it detects something suspicious. When the puzzle appears, don't rush through it instantly, wait around 5 seconds before you click Start. Moving too fast can actually trigger bot detection and make the problem worse. If the puzzle loads as a blank screen, spins forever, or just refuses to appear, refresh the page with F5 and try again. In many cases, the combination of a clean browser, disabled extensions, and a fresh network connection will solve it. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't panic. Just go back, refresh, and repeat the process carefully. After you pass the puzzle, X should send a 6-digit verification code. If you chose email, check your spam folder, your junk folder, and even your promotions tab right away. Sometimes the message arrives, but it's hidden in a secondary folder instead of your inbox. Also, don't keep requesting new codes over and over. Wait at least 3 minutes before asking again, because requesting too many codes too quickly can invalidate the first one. If you're using a phone number and the code still isn't arriving, there's one more thing you can try. Some carriers block short code messages by default. In that case, text the word start or go to 40404 from your phone, then go back to your computer and click resend code. That can sometimes unblock the short code delivery on the carrier side and allow the message to come through. Once the code arrives, type the 6-digit code into the box carefully and continue. If X asks you to create a password, make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters and numbers. Try to avoid overly repetitive passwords like 1111 or lots of repeated symbols, because security filters can sometimes flag those as suspicious or automated. And that's it. In most cases, if you clear your browser data, disable extensions, switch networks, use Incognito mode, and choose the right verification method, the X or Twitter verification error will finally go through. The key is to move step by step and not keep repeating the same failed attempt from the same browser and connection. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which step solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.